Yep, they're gonna turn. How do I know? Because nobody waits here. People will jump in front of you and don't give a flying fig. Newton. Oh, I got a motorcycle person behind me. He's got a loud stereo, so it must be a Harley guy. I think? Maybe. He's playing pop music though. Harley guy playing pop music? Bubblegum music? I don't know. It doesn't seem right. Oh, he's riding with this girl. That's why he's playing those gay tunes. Not that there's anything wrong with being gay, but those tunes were not my style.